display 10 products or 20-30 products also you can display. Okay, product I am going to display inside table. Okay, basic template I am going to use here, and in this table a table row and table. Okay, this is table row, and inside this table row this is table cell. So my table cell will be the template for product, and inside this there will be a product name. Product name will be something XYZ. Okay, I'm creating here static template. Then product price, it will be some like this, and there will be a product image. So for that you have to take img tag, and in img src I will use 1.jpg. Okay, 1.jpg here. Height and width you have to set. So height equals to 100 pixel and width equals to also 100 pixel. And then I'll take a BR, and I will take here one submit button to buy this particular product. So I will write input, type will be submit, and value will be buy, and name will be BTN buy. Okay, so I have created one product template here. Okay, and this particular template I want to repeat for 10 products, 20 products, and how I want to display them inside one row. I want to display 4 products. Like that I want to take 5 rows. So to repeat 5 rows, I will take here for $I is equals to 1 semicolon $I less than equals to 5 semicolon $I plus plus. Okay, so this for loop will repeat rows, and inside every row I want 4 products. So this TD I will take for $j equals to 1, $j less than equals to 4 semicolon $j plus plus. Okay, so this inner for loop repeat this TD, and outer for loop repeat the TR. For every TR, TD will repeat 4 times. Means inside every row 4 product will display. And this I will close. This also I will close. This also I will close here, and this also I will close. Okay. So this is page 20.php, just displaying product display page we have designed using nested for. Okay, so you will get the output like this. Okay. तो जहाँ पर अभी हम लोगों ने यहाँ स्टैटिक इंफॉर्मेशन रखी है, वहीं पर इंफॉर्मेशन डेटाबेस से आके आप ला के डिस्प्ले कर सकते हो. प्रोडक्ट जो डिस्प्ले होंगे डेटाबेस से फेच होंगे, और वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पर आप लोग इस टेम्पलेट के अंदर दिखा सकते हो. देयर इज अ बाय बटन. Once you click this buy button, this particular product should buy. That totally depend on your business logic. That we are going to see later. Okay. And you can just style it as you want. The TD को मुझे format करना है. This is my product template. So style equals to border, हम लोग इसको दे देते हैं border equals to border colon solid 2 pixel. Let's take a 4 pixel and black color border I want. Padding I will set 10 pixel. And margin also I will set. So margin will be 5 pixel. Okay, so it will display like this.